Now I'd like you to take your 5-value illustration that you did for Milestone 1, and I'd like you to convert it to a 5-hue illustration for Milestone 2. So here's a 5-hue illustration, and a hue essentially means color. So color and hue mean the same thing. So when I say 5 hues, I mean 5 colors. But in this case, the colors we're going to use are going to be different shades of the same color or different intensities of the same color. So we basically will have a monotone image rather than a full color image. For my illustration, I used brownish pinkish hues to replace the grayscale values used for the illustration in Milestone 1. So we're not redrawing the illustration, we're just making some adjustments to the colors. And if we go back to Milestone 1, we could take a look at the swatches window and see that we had created this folder with our grayscale that we used. And if we go to Milestone 2, I created an additional folder next to my grayscale folder and replaced those grayscale values with hues that would correspond to the lightness and darkness of each of those values. Another thing that I did is I removed or deleted the template layer because we just don't need that anymore. We're not redrawing this, we're just choosing colors or hues instead of values. So that's the difference. In the hue illustration, there's another swatches folder and there's one less layer because the template layer has been deleted. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I converted my grayscale values to hues, and I'd like you to follow similar steps for your illustration.